Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I'm hungry for a corned beef on rye. So, what's the next best thing to do? I ain't gotta go to the store and buy a corned beef sandwich. I'm gonna cook me a corned beef and make me a corned beef on rye. Sounds good to you? Hang out, we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, I was going to put this brisket in the smoker today, but it's kind of storming and raining and nasty, and I just don't want to deal with all that, so we're going to put her in the crock pot. These are the briskets I use. It's a point cut corned beef brisket. So all I'm going to do is just open the bag up here. And dump her in the crock pot with the juices and the brine. There's the brine. There's the brisket. I'm going to flip it. This is the fat cap, so I'm going to flip it. Oop. Need to get our seasoning pack out. We're going to do the fat side down, fat cap down. Now if I was smoking it, I'd do the fat cap up. But, so, dump that seasoning in there. This thing's going to make a lot more juice and stuff. And I always like to add a little bit of pepper and some garlic powder to mine. Y'all can cook yours how you want. Like I said, I like the pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. Now you can do these in the oven too. I've done them in the oven. I like them that way, but I'm going to be in and out and all about, and I just prefer not to have my oven going when I'm not here. So, silly me. This little onion powder here. A lot of onion powder. So, alright. Yeah, we'll throw a little salt in there too. Why not? The brine has some salt in it, but I don't put a lot of salt in my food, so. Okay, there it is. Throw the lid on her here. Put her on low. 8-10 hours or so till it flakes apart. You know, so bring y'all back while we get a little more cooking done. Alright y'all, I've been cooking for a couple hours here. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah, we got a little while yet to go. But, oh, the smell, yummy, yum, yum. Alright, I think I might dip a little bit of this liquid out of here. Let it cook a little better, or I may just flip it over. I'm not sure. I might just let it go. Probably just let it go. What the heck. So, alright. I'm going to let this thing cook some more, and we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, this has been cooking a good long while. She's good and tender. I done checked her. Hell yeah. So, I'm going to take it out of here. We're going to transfer it into this glass dish over here. And then we'll finish it off here. So, oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Y'all, that smells delicious. So, alright. Let me get rid of this crock pot here and get it out of the way. And we'll continue on with the corned beef here. So, just give me a minute. Alright y'all, been a long day. Been thinking about this corned beef on rye all day long. So y'all see me make the sandwich. We got it right here. So let's take a bite and see what she has. That is well worth the wait. Got a little smooth. And of course, beverage of the day to wash her down. We got some Canada Dry. That is, sorry y'all, that is all well worth the wait. Cooking your own corned beef at home, yummy. Love it. I do prefer to do it in the smoker. Stays a little firmer, but in the crock pot or the oven, doesn't matter either way, still just as good. So, hope y'all enjoy it. I know I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you all for watching. Come back here for Sunday nights, 7 p.m. Catch the live stream. I'll do a little talking then. And as always, bon appetit. I'm going to go eat.